是几点？
坏吧？让进那个丢
啊，有了。
不要乱说。
差1分钟。开什么？那你们那边你们开始我就开始。可以开始吧，我感觉不差那1分钟2分钟。OK。
好了啊。
Hello everyone, welcome to Sunny Group. Now we are loading in Zhengzhou City of China. This is our this is for our factory building for the domestic market in China, and another side is our workshop. Next time, let's to see one by one and make the details introduce about our factory and machine and wet webs machinery. So let's go. Our Sunny Group located in Zhengzhou City in China. Our company built it in the 21 years and had the more than 12 years experience in wet webs machinery. Okay, let's go the first building to make a first understanding about our company. This side is our whole company organization structure. The Sunny Group is the mother group company, and the ring there are the different branch company, mean for the recycling machinery and the wet webs machinery. The Zhengyang, honest and recycle, mainly for the multi recycling equipment, and the Sunny Group and the Headache, it both for the wet webs machinery. Okay, so let's go to see the wet webs machine one by one. And another area, it's for this is for production manager office and some meeting rooms in here too. This part for the purchasing department. Through this door, we go another workshop. 刚好我们在直播。行，那让吴经理去送你。好，行。Okay, following our camera to go the workshop now. The left part is the main assembly workshop in here. This is a one-love workshop for the wet webs machinery. And the right side, you can see our technician is in assembling the machinery in here. The left side, it's the main spare part of the wet webs machinery. When we got the customers' orders, firstly we will ordering the spare part in here and take the paper to bring the spare part in here, and then to finish the assembly in here. And you see there are six packaging machine in here. It's reading for the order production starting in here. The red side, it's the domestic order in China. It will be delivered in Puyang. this part is waiting for the assembly. Following the camera, you will see the one machine is running. This machine useful to produce the small pocket wet webs machine, such like the 5 to 30 pieces one bag. Okay, so let's make a detailed understanding for this. You see this machine include from the 2 water tanks in here. And after mixing the water and liquid in here, it will go through on the machine. This machine adopts the smaller tensile as the raw material. And this part is automatic material connecting and dotting function in here. Take a sample. This ruler is running. When this ruler finished, another one will be connecting and pulling the material to go the next step. This for this part function. And this one is the ruler useful to pulling the spool's normal fabric to go, and there also include the corrector. When the fabric have any wrong is detected, it will can be connection it directly. Then it will be go through the folding. This machine we use the Z-type folding and pulling to go the liquid filling. And then go to the cutting. The once time cutting the 2. The finally packaged pieces will be finished stacking in here. For example, when you make the 5 or 10 or 15 pieces one bag, we adjustment at the stacking part. Firstly, we should setting on the packaging pieces, and here also can setting the fabric length and stacking height in here. Our machine supports the English and Chinese, the different language according the user's request. And then after finish the packing, it will be going the packaging machine. This equipment accept the adopt the double film and double labeling function. You will see there has the two shafts. When one film finished out, and another one can be connection automatically. And the packaging machine also include the verb guide in here. After the film pulling to go through the bag forming in here. Of course, also include the data coding, and the user can be setting the production time and the value time on the PLC. It will be printing on the wet webs bag. And this is for the main PLC control in here, useful to setting the cutting length and the back sealing and all date in setting in here. Okay, let's continue to move on the packaging machine. It will be forming the bag first in here and finish the sealing and the back sealing to then carting. Finally, we got this smaller pack, wet wraps like this. So this is the first one machine useful to produce the small packet wet wraps in here. Okay, so this is the first one machine. Let's moving on another one. This is the popular one type for the new investor. This machine useful to produce the baby wet wraps. Yearly packaging range for the 30 to 120 pieces one bag. This machine is a semi-automatic type. The different part this machine adopts the big jumbo rule. That means the user, if user chooses this machine, need to prepare the big jumbo roll. We can have a look. The total weight it's usually not more than the 120 cm. It's firstly let's look. And some customer always ask, it's so heavy fabric. How we put it? How we load it? Early you can see there includes the two bottles. One bottle is for up, another bottle is to down the belt to loading the fabric. This is the automatic type. So actually, it will no need your labor to take it manually. So you don't need to worry. This is one point, and another one. The big jumbo roll will suit the 5 carters to carting the smaller pieces like this. Smaller. Then totally we got the 6 layers fabric, and then go to the folding. And other side you will notice here, it's a specially designed for the flushable fabric use, such like the toilet wet wipes. Usually will use this function. Okay. First, we got the different layers fabric. It will be pulling to go through the first for the C folding, and then you see here. There are many customers always ask how can we control the folding wise. You can see in here when you set in the machine like this. If you want to get the more big pack, you can fold the fabric the more looser like this, or the more close like this. And finally, you get the smaller folding size. And then it will be go through the 1 to 6, the 6 layers. And finally, we got the 6 fabric in here. Then it will go through the liquid filling and 打开不？哎，那边也可以开吧。It will be each part we also set the water tuber in here. And be sure that each layer can be wetting with the water valve. The 1 to 6. And after we got the water, the liquid, it also can be recycling through the pump to use again. Of course, some countries, if have the standard, it also can use for the pump to pumping it to another tank is fine. And how to adjust the liquid? Usually, there has the. Firstly, we can adjusting the liquid in here, and through the different needs. The standard one usually is one fabric to the four times water, and we can control it through here. And another one, we can control the liquid in here. You see the belt pressing or opening looser can get the different water, get the different liquids in here to control. And another side, we also can setting the liquid on the PLC. Then you will get unit the wet wipes. After finish the filling, it will go the carting. The standard one carting, you already use the 2 lines here, 1 and 2, and then the turning of 1 round, you will get the 2. That means it will be finally decide the carding speed. This machine max speed is for the 400 pieces 1 minute, and then it will go the stacking. Take a sample when you want to get different packaging pieces or meat contained in the stacking times. It must be of the 6 of times, such like the stacking the 5 times. Finally, we got the 30 pieces wet wipes. Okay, this is for the automatic machine. It will know the packaging machine. The user need to prepare the film bag to bag it in here. And the conveyor belt will be take the wet wipes to change in here, and we put automatic wet wipes machine. It's more suitable for the new investor, and the labels cost is lower. When your country no need the high effective capacity, you can consider this one. And similar with this semi-automatic 6 lines, also have the automatic 6 lines machine. Front part is the same. It both includes the folding and liquid filling, carting, and stacking. But different one, the automatic 6 lines will include the automatic packaging machine, like this. This for the single film and double labeling type machine. The single film, that means only have the 1 film roll in here. When the machine is running out, it will be need to stop the machine and loading the film on the machine. It can be start production again. let's make a detailed understanding for the packaging machine. The whole machine, the main part is the film forming and the hole opening holes opening here. There include one open cutter. It will be pushing the hole on the film and then labeling the sticker on the film. Next one, it will be finish the forming in here. You see that have the different size we can control from the screen, by manually. And 没有哦，看到 Okay, let's take one sample to you as standing. Okay, this is the one of this. The bigger one packaging to this. It's from the semi-automatic 6 length and automatic 6 length. Both can produce the more bigger wet wipes. Of course, when you need a leader type, we will need to turn at the leader applicator machine here. Okay. And when you go the supermarket, you will notice usually we have the two types. One is without the leader, another one for the plastic leader. And usually this one can sell in the more good price. So, and the plastic leader also can protect the water. You can see if no leader, they only have the one sticker. Maybe when we take the wet wipes for 1 year, 2 years, the bottle will be go out, get sweat. So that's why the plastic leader is important one. Okay, so next time let's make introduce about the leader applicator machine. Firstly, we need to put the leader on the hopper. Our machine includes the four hoppers. When the number 1 is running out, and the number 2 will be connected automatically. So it's a very smart machine. This is the first type, the plastic leader, and then we need to labeling the label on the leader. Then go through to the robot part. For the whole conveying process that includes the camera. The camera can be distracted when the leader is coming, and then to inform the robot to starting the stacking in here. 这个能运转吗？就这吧。Okay, and finished. We got the wet wipes and with the plastic leader on here. Okay, let's have more introduce about the whole production line. This one for the 16 lines, 16 rows. The different part, the 6-lines machine use the big jumbo row, but this machine we use 20 small rows. Let's have a look in here. this is20道的。Oh, sorry. This is for the 20 rows, not 16 rows. And you will see the different part is we use the small 20 row in here. You will see that the 2 rows, but actually it uses the 1 paper in here. You see. And this machine also includes the automatic connection and dotting function here. The one is running, another one standing by. So the whole production line it will more efficient than the big jumbo row, because when you running out the material, this machine can automatically to connecting it. No need to stop the whole production. So finally, speed will be very quicker. Take a 20 rows machine example. Finally, we got the speed usually for the 85 parts per minute. And for the control part, it also includes the menu to control in here, and emergency stop in here. When there have any problem, you can put this bottle in here. This is totally have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the five raw material rocks. The 1 rocks for the 4 rows. So totally we get 20 rows. And this machine use the high standard and stop the Snyder brand and Yaskawa. 等一下，我看一下 Yaskawa 在哪儿来着 ？Okay, it should be another side. This whole production use Yaskawa PLC, the Japan brand. Whole production also includes the 2 tanks. The 1 tank for the 1,000 liters liquid. 1 tank used for to mixing the liquid, and another one for the storing the water in here. Then supplying the water to the machine working. And you will see when the water is running out, it can be automatic to adding the water too. So that's the very important function too. And another side, we also set washing pot in here. When you need to checking about the liquid mixing, you can see in here. 那个看不到过去。each tank both include the motor mixer in here. Both can mixing the water. Okay, let's see the. It also uses the Snyder type standard. 这边可以看。下面有空间安全这边。在这儿了。For the driving motors, we use the Yaskawa brand. If for the foreign order, there will be have the English market, English remark. This for the Chinese, the China, the domestic order. So it's for Chinese. So this is about the 20 rows webs production. Mean useful to produce baby wet webs. 完了，弄掉了，sorry。应该这个不能设计吧？不能设计吧？And this part for delivery. This also for the 20 rows wet webs machine. It was packaged already. 结束了呀。我去问一下能不能开吧，一会儿。半个小时。那去看一下那边那个机器吧，还有12道。Finish the 20 rows. Let's go the 12 rows. This home machine is similar with six lines. But the capacity will be double. This is the 12 lines. Also adopt the big jumbo rows, but different. This for 2. This 1, 2. One jumbo row for the 6 line. So 2 jumbo for the 12 lines. Other part is the same. First one C and other folding, both for the unfolding. So the folding and the same one is the liquid and the cart taking both same. The whole production line speed usually for 50 to 65 1 minute. It's more high quality by the 6 lines. And for the each packaging machine, we both have the cover to protect the machine. And this machine also can match with the later applicator machine too. Capacity more bigger one. 我去问一下能不能运行吧。来，可以。下不？俺先去那个加工车间吧。Okay, this is all about our assembly era of the wet webs machinery. Next time, let's moving on another workshop to understand how we manufacture the machine and how about the each spare where is it from. So let's go to understand more. 去那里点吧。This part also for the robot machine. So now we see this workshop for that web machine. Let's go the CNC processing workshop. 打开了，给我开一下这个吧。需要卡吗？我没带。The two workshop totally for more than 40,000 square meters, and the two workshops employs more than 200 people. Okay, the machine is ready. So we see how about the machine running. This is for the 20 rows. Let's see how about the machine's working. Okay, starting here.
.45等于我买完了加到球，前面是光，后边是细光，在对着那个。
从那边开始。行。And for the different bears standard, they also can actually add in their character to crafting the fabric. The same function is to folding the fabric, the one by one. Totally for the 20 rows. And here also have one sorting kitchen to sort the fabric the more beautiful, and pressing. Also have one melt detection here. When it notice there had any melt, it will be it will be remove the melt of fabric part in here. For the each layer both have the water vapor you see here. Then go through the cutting to tacking, stacking here. This is a sensor. When the material is coming, it will be noticed and inform the packaging machine starting the packaging. You see the each red part. It's both matching the one sensor in here. You see the red part, it will be detect the material is coming, and then forming the bag. Of course, each part that have the black code in here. And finally, we got the more pretty packaging here. And then go through on the leader sticking. You see. Each time for 1 liter, and then converting to level in here. 哦，没有开这个。Then the camera will following the leader and inform the robot to sticking it on here. You see the red part. Then totally we got to the red box like this one.可以了吧？可以了，可以了。一会儿去介绍一下那个16道吧。Okay, this is for the 20 rows wet webs production line. 看这个，这个有人，这个有人看。This is another. It's used for produce the single to the 15 pieces one bag. This is for the more minimal type. If you don't plan to invest too much, this machine is the best choice. This is for the 15 pieces one bag. The machine can process different. It's for the single. Let's have a understand about machine. It includes the 2 material sheets in here. That means the once time we got the 2 layers in here. It's one combine in here to go through the liquid filling here. This is for the liquid part. And then go through the folding in here, cutting and stacking. The once time for the 2, you see, and stacking the different pieces. Finally, we got in here. This is single. Oh, sorry. This is for the sample type of packaging machine. Actually, the function is the same, but different is the opening sticker on the underside in here. You see, the film roll goes through to here. 哎，在这儿。对，在这边打。And the pushing in here. 哎，地方没有。
这是左片用的，是给这有那种单片，做左片的时候，这个才动。
哦，这个。
你看这儿，前面只有它在动，这是做单片的。然后
其实已经改过了，跟上一次。
对。
好吧，这个我不太对。
还是比较那种。
This is for after machine. Different with the before. There actually has a single piece packaging. When pack the single one will be moving, and another one used for the 15 pieces one bag or more. So that's the new design on here. The running time we packing for the single one. The most time this smaller machine is very popular in many countries. The low invest and the high efficient. For the single pieces, the speed about the 90 pieces. 90 pieces one bag. Okay, let's see. This is for the single. You see, the difference with the baby wet wipes, it's the across folding here. Normally for this, but this for actually across folding on here. So finally we got a more smaller package. That's it. Okay, so this about the single and 15 pieces wet wax machine. The next machine, it's also for the 5 to 30 pieces one bag type, but this is for the high-speed one. Total capacity for the 800 to 1,000 pieces 1 minute. The one we got the 2. And another different, this machine, the high efficient type, it can be automatic connect the material on here. And this machine also can use to produce the full cleaning wet wipes, the kitchen wet wipes. The more bigger plus size also can be customized by this machine. Once running, the ruler will be control the fabric strings, how to pushing it on the next processing. It's still keeping the hanging state on here. Liquid filling. We also adopt the rolling pushing type. And water. The four blend running in one time. Up one recording, you see. And entering the carter, they'll have to get in the wet webs stacking on here. And be sure the wet webs stack out better. We also replace it. Sorting the wet webs more good. This also use the cylinder to driving it. And the sender will notice the material going the packaging machine to finish the forming, the back sealing on here. Finally, we got this. 可以了，成了吧 Okay, so next time, let's go for another type of machine, another workshop. This is a new DRAM machine still in production, and we will adopt the double robot in here. But for now, we still not promotion it. Just have a look. This whole production line, about the 100 packs 1 minute. It's the high speed machine. Let's go another workshop. The left side for the dry waves used for to cleaning the face, the cotton tissues. Raw material also for the spoolens novel fabric, but this for dry. And this mini machine also for the dry waves, but the rolling time. Finally, we got the dry waves towel on here. This for another. This zero meaning for the melt recycling machine and the CNC machining machine on here too. This workshop will be used to processing the in part. The connect part and the like this. Also include the steel blunt and the roller and the main from here. So this workshop in processing this and include in 13 sites CNC machining. Our technician is processing the results on this machine. We will have the drawing. This for the different parts. Have the drawing, have the details information on here, and then processing according to the drawings. This for both the main part. This for the raw material. We need to the original. It's for the steel, scrap steel, and then to process the different shape and the different function used according to the drawings. This is for the machining. This is the grinding machine to use for grinding the steel. You see here. A part of we got the main parts from those machines, and such like the 1,000 main spare parts. Totally, we got the main parts to M7 for the wet webs machine. This part is used for pushing the hole on steel. The different this is for another arrow. Also to processing the insular here. And finally, we got the main parts on here. Another set also for the material processing. This is for main from steel. Such as the advanced raw material rock also needs this part. And this one is for the steel laser cutting machine, used for to cutting the stainless steel. To processing this type. And another side is for the bending machine. Here. Also used for process the steel and the parts on here. finish the main square. We need time to work in it. This is the tuber stopping the arrow. The main tuber material is put on this arrow. And the left part it's for part of house to store in the main part on. And there have the details introduced how about our welding technician and how about the laser cutting technician on here. Knowledge and about our CNC machining introduced. This is for a sewing table. Okay. For our warehouse area. This is the door. We need to connect with the material machines cover. There have the urgent spare parts machining. Some regular customer always need some urgent spare parts, and we have our own CNC machining. It can be delivered in time, and be sure the high quality spare parts can be delivered to the user. All the spare parts finished, they have the details remarked, and there will be remarked the which time we finish it, and how about and it will be used for which machine on here. You see, for the order number and the term name used for the 12 wet wipes machine. Then for the filling and the stacking part, there have the details remark on here. And for this part, when the regular customer needs, we can be delivered directly. This for the different spare parts. This is all used for the brand. They have the different function and the remarker on here. 可以了。会别关。回去。好。好。可以这样看一下。This is about our CNC machining workshop. And the main spare parts bought from this workshop. Let's back to wet wipes machine workshop now. So that's all about our training group of wet wipes machine Let's look around finally about our machine. 你就站在这儿说结束语吧，站在这儿说结束语吧。Okay, thanks so much for your watching. The time always is quicker. Today we introduced the different machines model, mainly for the 5 to 30 pieces one bag, the smaller wet wipes machine, and for the baby wet wipes machine. For the different models, 6 lengths, 12 lengths, and 20 rows, we both had the details introduced. If you interested in our machine, please leave your email and number to my colleague. Then our sales will be connected with you. So that's all about Sunny Group wet wipes machine manufacturing the whole process. So see you next time.